Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to get free Stripchat tokens in 2025. This is the new method. You guys have got to give this some taste. So this is the site. It's called ogsnags.com. This is where we can actually get free Stripchat tokens codes. So once you're on the site, guys, I just want you to go to the search bar and type in Stripchat. There it is. So just go ahead and press on it, press show coupon code, and it will generate your code for free Stripchat tokens. So once it generates it, guys, just go ahead and press get full code. It's going to bring you over here, and then it asks you what do you like about shopping at Amazon. So it actually doesn't matter what you put. I'm not trying to be rude, but like it doesn't matter. So I'll say super fast shipping, and then it's going to ask for your email. So they're going to send you the code to this email. So make sure you guys put in your email address. So after you do that, guys, wait for it to load. You can see it says activating your reward. So next thing we have to do is register. So we got to fill out all our info. So this is very important. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here so you can see. All right. It's just like part of the process, I guess. So I'm just going to type this in. All right. Let's just go ahead and put this right here so you can see. All right. Let's just fill this in. All right. Yep. Should be all good to go. So now we're done, and I'm just going to do the state. So now we just need to wait for this to load, and then we just need to do a survey. So this is a really simple part of the process. So let me just do the survey right here so you can see. All right, so just answering all these questions. So yeah, it's pretty simple. All right, let's just go ahead and do the survey right here as you can see. All right, I'm not really scared of surveys. I know some people get annoyed, but trust me, it is pretty easy. So let's just go ahead and do this right here so you guys can see. All right, so let's just go ahead and do that. Pretty simple. Okay, let's just go ahead and do this right here so you can see. All right, let's just finish the survey. Okay, we'll just do it right here so you can see. All right, and now we're done with the survey. So we're gonna press I agree and continue. It's gonna bring us to the next step. So the final thing you have to do, guys, is complete a deal, which is pretty easy. I'll show you how to do it. And then we should get our free Stripchat tokens. So as you can see, it says right here that everything is done. So it says survey done, optional offers finished. So then that brings us to the deals. So the deals are really easy, guys. Complete deals to claim your reward. So you just have to do one of these. It's like download an app or something. So I'll see you later, but you can see Monopoly Go, $0. You have to reach level 18. So that's all you got to do, guys. And you only have to do one of these deals. So it should be fairly easy. I just want to show you guys right here. As you can see, it says complete one deal to continue. So hope you guys enjoyed, and peace out.